Welcome back to CryptosRUs. I am George. Guess who is buying more Bitcoin? Approximately $650 million worth of Bitcoin. Can you guess? Yes, it's Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. Now, by now, I know most of you guys have heard about Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. Michael already purchased $475 million worth of Bitcoin that has netted him a cool $300 million in profit. Not to mention the $1+ billion he made by doubling his stock value over the last few months. Michael isn't done. Just last week, he said he was going to raise $400 million more through convertible notes, and he wants to use that money to buy Bitcoin. And then just a few days ago, that number got bumped up to $550 million. And today, we hear that it has been bumped up once again to $650 million. And this is due to demand. This isn't because Michael is ultra greedy, well, maybe a little bit, but this is due to such institutional demand for these convertible notes because they want exposure to Bitcoin. And of course, this relates to what we've been hearing for the last few months about institutions FOMOing into Bitcoin. Just yesterday, Mass Mutual Insurance just FOMOed $100 million into Bitcoin. So this is a trend and it's not stopping. And it seems like Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy is leading the way. Now that we know $650 million more is flowing to Bitcoin, why is Bitcoin not pumping? You may be wondering, if it's such good news, how come Bitcoin price is still stagnant and isn't shooting above 20,000? Well, that's a good question, and that's a question I answered this morning during my live stream. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do so. I explain why the market doesn't move when a large purchase from an institution happens. And I also explain what the whales are doing in terms of manipulating your feelings against you, causing FUD, causing doubt, and they are the ones that's making you think about this. But what you need to remember is this. Institutions, they don't just make a Bitcoin purchase out of the blue without some thought. And they're not making a purchase like this for short-term gains. They're in it for the long haul. There's only so many Bitcoins out there. Institutions are grabbing as much as they can. So don't let the whales fool you into thinking that this is just a fad, just a temporary bump, and there's no more gains to be had. Look at what the big money and smart money are doing, and they're all buying Bitcoin. So what do you think about Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy and their planned $650 million buy for Bitcoin? Leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more crypto news.